Welcome to Oblivion 9.
Basically, damn, see this line right here? There's no cars in front of me. There's a freaking spaceship that went down, and it's blocking the whole freaking road. And everybody's trying to freaking speed up, you know, go to the other side, even though it's freaking loaded with cars. Spaceship freaking landed on. Here's another cop right here. What the hell's going on? I wish I was recording it when I saw the upside down car, and then this thing that was on the freaking ground. It's like a brown freaking orb. It was glowing, and then the light shut off. So I drove past it, and then that's when it basically, the light shut off. And all this cars that is going there is gonna, you know, they're gonna basically slow down and stop. And the military is being called on the radio, and I don't know. Is this gonna be in the news? Check YouTube, because people are gonna start uploading freaking videos of the freaking craft. It's not big. It's small. It's like a car size. It's freaking round, and it has like a line in the middle around it. Hey. Woo!
Look.
Nah, I'm gonna get it. Here I move.
Look, y'all. Another one. Those are aliens. Those are aliens that come in the same area. The same area. Look at that. Those are aliens coming down here, y'all. Look at it's coming down the same direction. Oh, it's breaking up. Oh, it's 6, it's 8, it's 9. Oh shit. Oh shit. Look at that. Oh, look at that. They stop. They stop. Look at that shit. Those are aliens.
Sorry, I'm trying to record it.
Aliens. Aliens.
Oh, they cut the lights off.
Aliens.
Oh, they cut the lights
Y'all
off.
need to be shooting that. Y'all need to be shooting this shit right here.
And they just cruise.
They looking at us. They dividing. They dividing them. We getting invaded. Those are not fun. Look at that shit. They are sitting. Y'all need to be calling damn news. They come down to the, oh, they come to Earth. They're coming to Earth. Oh, they coming faster. Oh shit. Look, they flying towards each other. They flying, oh my God, look. They moving in for formation. They just standing there. Officers, do something about that.
What the fuck?
Y'all not gonna do nothing.
They can't do anything.
Wait, go give me your face gun.
You're right.
Oh, shit.
Look at this shit.
Oh my gosh!
Here it is again.
I think! Look! Look!
Here it is again. Here it is again. Here it is again. Look at this shit. Look at this. Look at this shit. I got it, nigga. Look at Hey, hold on, man. Hold on. See that shit?
Let's get in the truck. Let's go.
Why is this happening again?
I know.
Let's go.
Did you hear them say danger? What the fuck? You got your truck right here. Does he have it right here? I need a paper bag. Motherfucker, hold on, bitch, don't you. Hold on, bitch, don't leave me. Wait. Motherfucker. Sarah, some real shit going on here.
Huh?
Real shit going on.
Can you believe it?
You got the police behind me? They'll take the camera. Because they seen the video they put on. Oh, Rico's coming out. Rico's coming out. It's constantly going on. Yeah. He's getting, Rico's getting the truck. We're gonna miss it again because of this slow motherfucker.
Rico, hurry!
I'll miss it on the street, nigga. No, Vic.
No, you can't. We're going to the highway. It's on the highway.
We'll be back. We'll be back. Here we go again.
Not believe.
Here we go,
This is
motherfucking again.
happening again.
Listen, we were sitting there watching it, and all I heard was danger, danger, off the street. You know what I'm saying? Here it is. Here it is. 72, huh? Yeah, look at this shit up here. Here we are again. What's today's date, y'all? Hey, 10/27/10. Look at this motherfucking shit again. These motherfuckers got some real shit going down. Did you see him? Danger, danger. Move off the street. Hey, the police, what happened is... No, I see them. The first thing that happened is the police chased. They were running all through the fucking fields. That's when I grabbed the camera. They were running through the fields behind that. And they were like, danger, move off the street.
All you non-believers, if it's not aliens, explain it.
Explain it. Explain it. Yes, sir. Look at this right here. We got it this time, baby.
Again.
We got it this time, baby.
Oh my God. Go, 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 go.
71 miles.
Listen, here's the thing. Look how police... The thing is...
No, I ain't
got no ID. And the police is right here to the side.
I ain't got no...
Oh, shit. They're right behind us.
They got ID phone.
Okay. Police is coming up behind me.
Straight.
Fuck.
We got 9 miles.
Right here in the rearview mirror.
Video about to change me getting pulled over.
Police
Oh
is...
my gosh. Look
Hey,
at this convoy up here.
Hey, we gonna cancel this for a minute.
Still went to the board.
We have to. We have to. We have to because the fucking police is behind me. Real close.
Oh my
Yeah. Turn on.
He's going slow. He knows. What? Like 617 and 217.
Police, baby. Yeah.
Please don't turn yellow,
Don't
please.
turn yellow. Don't turn yellow.
Let's go. Look at this shit here. What is going on?
Oh my God.
What is going on?
Oh my
Hold on,
God.
watch this guy. Watch this guy. Watch this motherfucker, man.
Watch. Oh my God. Look at this. What are they doing?
Watch this. No, please say something, dude. Please, so I can flash this camera on you and they can be. No, slow down, Rico. Let him say something. This will be real raw. No, let him, please, slow down. Say something to me, please.
Hey, but be able to zoom in, because this is unusual.
Why are they stopped?
We got a camera
Hey,
today.
they stopped right here.
Look
Real
at this.
camera.
What are they doing?
Look at this.
What do they do?
Look at this.
They stopped right at the railroad tracks,
Look
y'all.
at this. Hey, listen. I told you. Look, they're coming out the highway. Look, another truck.
Look, they're waiting for the light to turn red so people don't follow them. Look, look it.
They're making the lights
Come on,
go
make
red.
wait till the light turn red so we don't follow
this
them.
Oh my
motherfucking
God.
shit.
You hear me?
They didn't. Oh my.
Listen, all I heard was danger. Danger.
On the
Look at this
loudspeaker.
motherfucker. Oh my God, they're telling me to stop.
Calling people?
Hey, no. Hold on, they're telling me to stop. I'm shutting this off. Stop, Rico. They're telling us to stop. Shut up. Look at, they got the post of the ship blocked off up here. I'm trying to...
There's all kinds of them up there.
Tony, they're gonna...
It's a metal cage.
With locks on.
Yeah, with a big ass door. I don't know what it is.
Bars.
Rico, you can be brave. I ain't brave. I know what's behind that ball. Shit.
What you got a mask on for?
Oh my gosh, they have masks
No,
on.
Why would the fuck they have
He
masks
has a
on?
mask
Oh
on.
my gosh. They get out of the trucks.
Look at this guy, man.
They have masks on.
They have masks on. Okay.
They'd stop.
Hey, did you guys know they had masks on? I didn't know. She's not gonna find out exactly what's going on. What is this? Is she barefoot? Sarah Gardner. Sam. He's talking to me. He's talking to me. Fuck, I'm talking to you, please. I bet he won't tell her. He probably won't even tell her.
Oh my God.
Open the door. Hurry.
Come on, we gotta get out of here right now. I'm serious. Go. Come on, we gotta get out of here right now. Go.
What happened?
Go.
What happened?
Go. The guy said get out right now. All these people gotta go. He's gonna come back and tell him. Shut the camera off, Isane. Isane, shut the camera off.
Look at this motherfucker! Can I get to this? Wait, how can I get it? 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 Turn this bitch around. Shut up, shut up, shut up. I can't get it. I'm trying to get this motherfucker. I'm trying to get it. What is that?
Move it right up there.
Hey, get it. I can't. I'm trying. Motherfucker, get big brown motherfucker. Going straight to the cage. Straight to the cage, nigga. Straight to the cage. Straight to the cage. Hello. Watch the police. Watch the police, motherfucker. Watch the police. Red sock. Look at this. It's landing over there. Hurry up, go. This motherfucker's landing over there. Look at the lights.
The lights.
Get over there. Get.
What's it doing?
We can run this motherfucking light, man. Nigga, run this light. Nigga, this is stop the manhood, nigga. Run this motherfucker, nigga. Get it. I can't get it. Hey, hell no.
They made a loop around.
Fucker here. Look at this motherfucker. Shut up, man. Okay, guys, shut up. Look at this motherfucker. Look at this. I'm trying to get it on it. Just hold on, I'm trying to get it on it. Hey, look on camera. Look at the shot I got.
I see it.
That thing's going up. Whatever it's cheesing. And it's trying to get to it.
This motherfucker jumping all over the place. Now, just so you motherfuckers can know, I'm going to show you. We're very high in the air. This is very high. We've been chasing this motherfucker along the side of the police. Get danger! Danger, motherfucker! What are you at?
Amen.
Right in front of us now.
Go, Patty. Oh, my gosh.
Oh.
Charlotte can sing it, Chico. Yeah.
Go, get up, hurry up.
Oblivion 9.